Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we have a Porsche Cayenne here at the shop. Now, let me just quickly introduce you guys to the channel. We will have more than 200 videos on this car guys. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can guys by teaching you how to fix your car for free. So what we'll be doing today guys, now if your seats guys, the passenger side seat on the front and rear, okay, if you have power seats, memory seats, anything like that guys, heated seats, does not work, okay, this seat right here, the buttons, you cannot adjust it, we'll show you which fuse to check for that seat. All the tools and parts that we use in our videos will be listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. Now, when you open that door, you have that cover here. Under this cover guys, you will be able to find a fuse box. And we'll be using a plastic panel removal tool so we cannot scratch our fuse box. You can see how it has a few scratches. Pop that thing out and you have 5 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips. Now, we need 2 fuses guys, we need to check 2 fuses. Fuse number 22 and fuse number 24. So that will be the 3rd and the 5th one from right to left, the 2nd row. 1, 2, 3, this fuse right here, 4, 5, and this fuse. This, okay, now let me see, I think I got it wrong. 22 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, see. Okay, both 30 amp fuses, my bad. Both 30 amp fuses, okay, because we're missing actually 2 fuses here. You can see you have to count the one that's missing. We're missing 2. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and 5. Okay, so this 30 amp fuse right here. Okay, just pull them, check them. Okay, if you need to replace them, that's where the fuses are located, guys. If you need to do anything. Okay. We'll replace this one. Okay, replace both and see it guys works. So don't forget to put your cover on. Thank you for watching guys, please. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.